This is the same model in Blender. One is flat, one actually looks better. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple render tricks that I use to improve my renders. One is filmic and high contrast. Go to render and in color management, change the view to filmic and look to high contrast or very high contrast based on your project. As you can see, there is too much difference now. This alone already gives the render more depth. Everything feels less flat. The second part is lighting, which is one of the important ones. Right now, I'm using this flat light setup. It's coming straight from the camera. This kind of lighting is not great. Everything looks flat and boring. So I'm going to hide this light collection. Now I'll turn on my main lighting setup. First light is a UV sphere. I flipped the normal. I added an HDRI and connected it to color and emission. This gives me a soft overall light. From the right side, I have a strong cold light. This is my main directional light. It creates contrast and strong highlights. This is where most of the moods come from. On the left side, I use very soft light, just enough to lift the dark areas. I don't want to light everything, I just want to keep some detail. And from the front, facing the camera, I add a strong light. This one is for the edges. It helps separate the objects from the background. So this is the final lighting, nothing complicated. Each light has a clear job. Together, they give more depth and contrast. And the next one is depth of field, which you can select your camera like this, and in depth of field check this, and you can select your object and change the f-stop. Don't blur your background too much, just a little is enough. You can see the effects here. It helps guide the eye and make the render feel more realistic. And the next one is fog. As you can see, I used a cube with a principal volume on it. Nothing complicated. You can change the adjustment like me or based on your scene. Even a little fog adds depth to the scene. And after your render is finished, go to compositing and add a glare node to your render. And the final step. Go to Photoshop, select your render, go to filter, camera raw filter, and do some color and contrast adjustment. I usually increase the texture and clarity a little bit and decrease the vignette. Don't do it too much. We also can increase tint a little bit and saturation a little bit. You also can increase the sharpening, and that's the result. As you can see, this is our before render and this one is our after render. If this helped you, there's more coming. I'll share more render tips like this. Subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. See you in the next video.